In the north of France, where tradition meets progress, every brick holds a story of craftsmanship and resilience. Here in Gondecourt, Motherson continues this legacy, blending innovation with the strength of its people. From design to production, every detail reflects a single vision. Because progress is not just what we make, it's how we think. Powered by people, these are the 4 Fantastics mantras.